In this example, we're going to factor this algebraic expression, x cubed minus 125x. So the first thing I notice right away is that I can factor out the greatest common factor of just x, and I'll be left with x squared minus 125. Well, this kind of looks like the difference of squares here because x squared is a perfect square, but the problem is 125 is not a perfect square. But I'll say at some points along the way, it will be useful to be able to factor something like the difference of squares, even though you don't have perfect squares. Well, let's go ahead and simplify for a moment the square root of 125, because that's 5 times 5 times 5. So when you have the pair inside, it'll actually simplify down to 5 times the square root of 5. So what we can say is we have this x as the greatest common factor, and then x minus 5 times the square root of 5, and x plus 5 times the square root of 5. And this will be a nice factorization for this x cubed minus 125x.